Congrats, Andon. Such a sweet song. Now on to the Intense 5. Let's go. Soca lovers might be left extra disappointed this season as the Soca King Machel Montano says he's sitting out 2024 to focus on getting his masters. Big ups to you, Machel. We're going to miss you though. Not gonna lie, trust me. Northwest is ready for the spotlight apparently. The cheeky youngster performed at a concert with her dad recently, spitting rhymes like she's been doing it all her life. Okay, Miss Westy. Nominees are out for Best Caribbean Music Act for the Mobo Awards. Shensia, Valiant, Byron Messiah, Popcorn, Destro, and Kabaka Pyramid. Congrats and good luck, guys. This one hot. Antigua and soca star Drew passed away unexpectedly this week. He was engaged to Patrice Roberts. No release as the cause of death, but Jano, he was so young. Rest in peace, Drew. We're going to just be fed into your music and your legacy will live on. And finally holding the spot this week, Roshan is creating chaos among the artists as he has re-released his big rhythm, Dirty Money. Everyone wants to jump on it. So with the success of that, people have been asking Not Nice to re-release Street Vibes. This looks like it's gonna be interesting. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember, if there's anything intense in your area, hit us up on IG at TVJ Intense. Up next, Bushwaka, the musical barber with style. Intense soon forward.